Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can change the price on Opensea. So let's say you created an NFT or you listed an NFT and you want to change its price. Well, you guys can do it, alright? And it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to opensea.io, connect your wallet, and once you see your profile picture over here, you want to hover your mouse on top of it and click on profile. Now once you click on profile, it's gonna bring you to your profile, and over here you need to just scroll a bit down and all of your NFT collections is gonna be shown over here. So let's say I want to change its price from 1 ETH to something lower. I can click on the NFT and it's gonna open up. Now once you're over here, you can see the lower price option. Click on it. Now over here, my current price is 1 ETH, so I'm gonna go for 0 ETH and I can click on set new price. Once I do that, basically the price of this new NFT will be set. It's gonna wait for the approval from me from my wallet. So it's gonna ask me to confirm it. So once I confirm it from my wallet over here, just like this, it's gonna be done, alright? But basically, if you want to raise the price, so let's say your current price is 1 ETH and you want to make it 2. For that, you need to click on cancel listing and relist your NFT. By that, let's say you need to remove the NFT which you uploaded and re-upload it with a new set price, alright? That's basically what relisting means. But right now, you can only lower your price, alright? You cannot make the price higher. In order to do that, as I said, remove your NFT, re-upload it with a new price. So yeah, that's how you guys can change price of NFTs on Opensea. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.